In this video clip, we want to find out the vertical asymptotes of the rational function. First of all, for the rational function, we need to understand the domain. Domain is the value x will not make denominator be 0. So here we know the domain is x cannot be 3. Okay, that's clear. And then similarly, here is what? What's the domain? The domain is x squared minus 64 cannot be 0. That's what we learned before. Plus 64 on both sides. So x squared cannot be 64, and then x cannot be positive negative 8. Okay, so then the domain will be what? The domain will be x. X cannot be negative 8 and positive 8. Okay, so if you plug in 8 or negative 8, here if you plug in 3 here, we cannot find out the value because, again, denominator cannot be 0. Okay, but the vertical asymptotes is x equals 3. What's the meaning for that? You know, this is a line, right here. 1, 2, 3. X equals 3. X is a constant. Y can be any value. Okay. For example, what is the point right here? This is 3, 2, right? Okay. So the graph of the function will never touch or go across the line x equals 3. Okay, but what is the meaning for asymptote? You see, let me test a value for you. If you plug in x equals 3.1, then what do you get? You have an x of f of 3.1 is 8 times 3.1. Let me use the black color to make the difference between those two questions. Okay. All right. Then what do we have here? Denominator. Go back to the red color. Divided by what? 3.1 minus 3. Numerator is 24 point what? 0.8. Okay. Downstairs is 0.1, right? 3.1 minus 3. Okay. So this will make what? This will make the value very big. 24.8 divided by 0.81. So it's 248. So when here is, let's say 4, 5, 3.1 is very close to 3. So let me use the black color. 3.1. And then the value is very tall out of this screen. Okay. This is going to be very big. Alright. Very big. X is 3.1. Y is very big. Let's say here is very big. And then it never touches the dotted line. So it's like what? 3.1 and then 248. Let's say it's somewhere here. When x gets even closer, this number is even bigger, but it never touches the dotted line. Okay? Yeah. That's why we call it. We call this line is the asymptote and is vertical. Okay? So basically you have is domain is not 3, then the asymptote will be 3. X equals 3. That's it. Okay? So 0 point for denominator will be the vertical asymptote. So then here is easy. The vertical asymptote there are two here. Is y equals negative 8. Another is x equals 8. There are two vertical lines. Y is 8 here. Another is negative. Okay. So vertical line x is a constant. Horizontal line y is a constant. That's what we learned before. Okay. I'll see you next time.